Something a little different. I hope you enjoy. Happy June 1st, friends. It's about 16 degrees. There's a breeze. I'm going to the post office and somewhere else. But it's a secret. I'm in the van. It says 18 degrees outside. We're going to work in the wood after supper again. I don't know what that is. Sounds like pans, pots and pans or something in the back. Look at the sky. Beautiful. Beautiful blue sky. Here's the truck for me to move the wood from that truck to the van. Morning doves. I hear them, but I don't often see them. I see. He didn't take this stuff out of the back. Okay. Okay. Amazon. I don't know what this one is. I don't know what that is. It said something was delivered the other day, but the tide is way, way out. Way, way out. But it does come up here to the road. My land. I'm down the wrong road. I was down the wrong road. This is the road I meant to be on. Big apple tree there. Ooh. I see the ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, friends. Should have waited until I had the truck come down here. The grass is sitting on the bottom. Stray cats, live trapped them. So, you know, how am I going to turn down here? There's a turning place. We used to come down here and go swimming. The kids used to go swimming here. I didn't ever go in the water here, but oh, look at the little apple tree. Isn't it sweet? Oh my goodness. Just a minute here. Awesome. This is all built up here with beautiful rocks. That wasn't like this the last time I was here years ago. Well, it was probably 20 years ago. Here's the little apple tree, isn't it sweet? Look at this, friends. I'm walking on beach rocks. That's why I'm going slow and careful. Yes, we used to go out on this great big rock here. Oh, look at this little beach. I don't think I'm going to be laying on my belly today, Michelle, to get the waves, but I will put my thing down, my phone holder, see what we can get. Oh, there's the duck. There used to be a, see where that buoy is there? There used to be something there. I think we used to go out to that. It's not right deep out there because you can see the green. Oh, putting my hood up. Kind of windy. But I'm going to walk this little tiny beach here. That's Pleasant Point over there, or Osprey. I can't remember. This, I didn't walk a beach, well, maybe Lockport Beach, Crescent Beach last year. Are going to give out. I got to get up. I don't know what there's flies are down there. Look at this old driftwood. An old tree that one time Richard was out fishing out in the big middle of the big ocean, and he was at the wheel, and the skipper was sleeping, and Richard put on the brakes and went down and told the skipper, a tree, we're caught in a tree, a big pine tree, limbs and all. He said, there's no trees out here, way out here. So he got up and went and looked, and sure enough, there they were. And they had to wait until the boat floated away from the tree, or the tree floated away from the boat, I don't know, but they could have been in big trouble. Soon going to run out of sand here, and I'll go back. Just a little different. Which these things was on my plan anyway. On my plan to get out and do something different. I just had to wait until I got the van back. The truck was in the garage and off of the road for, I don't know, 2 or 3 months. And then the van had to go in. And I didn't have anything to drive. But here we are. This is Rockland, Nova Scotia. Tide's coming, I believe. See if we can get any water splashing. Little splashes. Don't you love it, friends? Don't you love it? A little chillier here than it is at where I live, because I'm down by the ocean. I don't see any kelp to get my own, I don't know if they make dulse out of that or not, dried seaweed. I guess I would have to go out in the water and see what I could find, but that's not going to be happening. No. Something green in the water there. Ah! Green in the water there. I don't know what it is. Any old how. For all my friends who love the sound of the water. Let's check the time. Oh, 3 minutes to 12. I have an appointment at 12, so I better get myself up out of here and get going. Yeah, I was up in the middle of the night again last night. Well, I don't know, 4:30 or something. I was, well, I went to sleep and then woke up again, and then I was up for till 4:30. I think they're wild. No, what are they called? There's a bumblebee. Oh, gee, I almost fell. Don't fall down here by myself. Where'd you go, bumblebee? Oh, I forgot that water was over there. Come on, bumblebee. There it is, over there. Hello, bumblebee. Fly around. Come out, wherever you are. Come on. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, you don't see very many bumblebees anymore. That's what if we don't have bees and birds, the same with the birds. If we don't have bees and birds to pollinate, well, my watch wants me to take a drink, but I forgot my water at home in the porch. going back to the van. This is probably pretty good. Something different. I hope people like it. And I have a lot of, I have 560 subscribers, but I don't get very many views. 50 would be tops. And not very many likes, so I don't know where all the people are, if they're not watching or not giving a thumbs up. I don't know. But anyway. So, I don't know about analytics. I know the word, but I don't know how to use it. There we are. Hi, Curly. I'm back. Here I am. Back in the van. We don't meet anything coming down this road. Yep, splash at us. Yes, and I always knew it. We used to do it in different communities we had access to. Alright, that's good. Oh yeah, earrings. I said someday I was going to do it, and here they are. Apple tree, a lot of the blossoms are on the ground. And there's a lot of purple flowers. And that's a white lilac tree. It was pretty fragrant there. That's a purple lilac tree. Here we are, back at the dam. It's quite windy here. How beautiful. Across the water. It's quite windy, gee. Oh, look here, we got clover. Purple clover, yellow buttercups. We got a lupin, dandelion, a pink lupin. Oh, there's a big purple one in there. Isn't that gorgeous? I think there's more water here today than there was last time. Coming over the dam. Did somebody say water? From the lake, Walsh's Lake. Yeah, I stepped on there and I was standing on that cement thing. Yeah, it's after 4 o'clock, so I can't dilly-dally because I'm going to eat and then we're going to work and finish that load of wood. Yeah. Garbage, more garbage. There's one of those ones that kind of looks like a smiley face. They last a long time before they disintegrate. I don't know if they ever disintegrate. Oh, look at that lupin in there. Wow. Hello, my beautiful beloved van. There's a whole pile of lupins here. Oh, there's my shadow with my pigtails. I might have to get them cut off for the summer because my head is sweating. Yeah. Hello, Van. Hello, Curly. Okay, that's it. There's the water over there. That's the lake. The walls is lake. Oh, look, there's a duck. There's a duck. There it goes. We gotta get out of the road. Nothing coming, but. I didn't film what I ate yesterday, but this was my dessert after supper last night. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Thank you, friends. See you in the next one, Lord willing.